3.
Rolling.
40.
Good hit.
You got it?
Shot right there.
There. Held. Nice.
Woo. Split it.
So how many shots is that in that face mask?
That was 1 shot of 40. Nah, that was 40. That was 9. Or was that one 9?
49 shotgun.
Shotgun, that's right.
Damn.
Do you want me to try to hit right here
Yeah.
with the 357?
Let's try it.
Definitely, yeah, you can tell the 40's a big round. I mean, it cracked. I mean, it.
Nothing to take into consideration though is the integrity of the mask is already.
Even down here, you think? Just because, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, every hit wears
The
it down,
whole
wears it
thing,
down. Yeah, the
yeah.
kinetic energy's absorbed everywhere.
Because I would have thought the 9mm would have penetrated deeper than the 40. Okay.
All right, try that 9mm.